Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Created to Race, and on this video we're going to be showing you a new Corvette accessory, and this one's going to be the license plate. So as you can see, we took off the old one, but this is not just your normal license plate, guys. This is going to be a carbon fibered license plate. So I'm excited, and let's go ahead and open it up so y'all can see. We just received this, guys, about a few days ago, but it's been raining here, so we kind of waited to do the video, but now it's time to open it. So as you can see here, this is the license plate, guys. Let me take it out. Hopefully I don't lose the screws. Can you hold the screws there? Hold the screws there. So this is the license plate, guys. I don't know if you can see it, the reflection maybe there. But yeah, so it does feel pretty good, guys. I like the carbon fiber look on it. That's why the reason we got it. I'm just excited to see it on the car, and slowly but surely, guys, if y'all stay tuned to the videos, we're gonna be putting much more carbon fiber accessories and different things to our car. So make sure you click the subscribe bell, click the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to be a part of the Corvette gang, Created to Race. So here we are, and here's the license plate. Again, as you can see, it's a license plate frame, guys, so it goes around the license plate. You should put the license plate in there. And I will say this, guys, the carbon fiber license plate frame is very nice. It is steel, so it doesn't look, it looks very, and I really do like the Corvette logo that stands out here. It looks very well put on there. The only thing I will say, guys, is that the logo does look kind of iffy. Like when you're up close to it, it doesn't look as good as the actual logo, like compared to the actual logo, or like they could have done a better job, you know what I mean? But honestly, I do like that it is steel and it's carbon fiber, like I said, and the Corvette logo stands out. But if I had to change one thing, it'd probably be the logo. But from a far distance, guys, you can't really tell much about the logo. So it also does come with screws, guys, as you can see here. Comes with your screws and your caps, so that you can't really tell that the screws are there. I like the little black caps that it comes with. You just put over the screws. So we're gonna go ahead and install this really quick. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, guys, don't make the same mistake we did. I don't know if you can kind of see here, but we put the black part, as you can see there. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see because they're both black, but the black part is supposed to be coming out, so the screw goes inside. As you look, I'll show you all, just like that, guys. So that way that this cap can snap on. The way we did it before, the cap wouldn't snap on and it would be coming off. So just to make sure y'all don't do the same mistake as those guys.